Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you already control, whether you have permission or need a license. Once done, search trending charts and note the song owner. Make sure to identify publisher and label. You then choose a path, get a license, pick a royalty-free remix, or plan for a transformative use. Start outreach immediately for sync or master clearance. If you pick alternatives, download stems or licensed edits so you can proceed without hitting Content ID. Now you handle the complex execution. Request sync and master licenses or buy rights on a platform. Keep contracts as proof. Then edit audio to reduce match risk. Short clips, pitch shift, chop, layer your voiceover, and make the visuals clearly transformative. Once edited, upload as an unlisted draft and let YouTube run Content ID. If a claim appears and you have a license, file a dispute with your documentation. Otherwise, replace the track or finish by publishing with clear credits and license details in the description so viewers and platforms see your rights. Once live, monitor copyright status and analytics for the first 48 to 72 hours. Be ready to act if monetization is claimed. If YouTube blocks or mutes your short, don't panic. First check your license docs, then submit an appeal with evidence. If that fails, swap to a licensed or royalty-free song and reupload, or re-edit to strengthen the transformative angle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.